Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This measures 4 by 4 inches, but with different type of yarn and hook size, the size will be different. I use cotton yarn for this project. This is a #1 super fine yarn, but you can use any type of yarn of your choice, and a 5mm hook. This is my crochet ring. I highly recommend it if you crochet a lot. With this, I can crochet for hours without putting down my hook. It helps to protect my finger when I crochet, so that the yarn is not pulling my finger. The link is in the description box along with the materials. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, I'm using 2 strands of yarn because the yarn I have is very thin. First, make a measure circle. Once the measure circle is made, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. And this counts as a double crochet stitch. And now, place a double crochet into the measure circle. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. 1 chain. Again, double crochet, and 1 more double crochet. Now that we have 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. From here, repeat the beginning, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1, 2. Here you can see it better. The 3 chain becomes one of the corners. And to form another corner, 3 chains. Then 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1, 2. We have 1 corner, 2 corners, then 3 chains, and this is going to be the 3rd corner. Then 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1 chain, and 2 double crochet, 1, 2. To make it easier to work with, pull tail to close the circle. So we have 1, 2, 3 corners. Here, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then slip stitch into the top of 3 chain to join the round. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the next stitch. And slip stitch into the chain space. Then 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. This always counts as a double crochet stitch. Add 2 more chains. So total 5 chains. In the same chain space, place a double crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the first corner, the 3 chain space, place 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and in the same space, place 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the 1 chain space, place a double crochet, 2 chains, 1, 2, and double crochet into the same space. At the corner, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. And now repeat 2 more times until the square is complete. And I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, after the last corner is complete, to join the round, slip stitch into the 3rd chain. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the 2 chain space. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Then place 4 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 5 double crochet, including 3 chains. Skip the next 4 stitches. In the 3 chain space, place 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 4 double crochet into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip the next 4 stitches. In the 2 chain space, place 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically, this is a repeat. Repeat this all around until all the corners are complete. And I meet you at the end of the round. At the end of round 3, slip stitch into the top of chain 3, one chain. In the same stitch, place a single crochet and single crochet into the next stitch. Then single crochet into every stitch until the corner. At the corner, in the 3 chain space, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2, 1 chain, and 2 single crochet into the same space. 1, 2, and repeat this all around. At the corner, place 2 single crochet, 1 chain, and 2 single crochet. And I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, after the last stitch, cut yarn and join the round with a yarn needle. Insert into the first stitch, then insert into the back loop, and I also like to insert into the loop that's right below the back loop. And lastly, within the tail. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video.